Hello there and welcome to JobHackr.app. Here's a landing page where you can see basic information, our paid plan and free plan information, our back section, and also the terms of services and privacy notice. Once you decide to go ahead and start your free trial, just go to sign up. That you can use your email and password, or you can just use your Google account. It's very straightforward. Just check your Google account and continue. You will see a welcome page with some brief information there, and then you can set up your profile. This is not obligation, it's optional, but it's good to do it. You can do your target job title, the industry you're looking at, and the location if it's remote, and your salary. So that will help kind of getting the AI algorithm to most fit companies to show at the dashboard when you get there. And you can have more than one job title and industry. You can have as many as you want. Just choose from the drop-down menus. Very easy, straightforward. And once you're done, click continue to dashboard. You see a quick tour that will describe some of the functionalities. There will be a wiki help page as well, so don't worry about if you don't pick up everything from the beginning. This is just a helper way to get started, where you can see some of the buttons that you have to click or what they do. It's pretty easy. So once you finish the tour, you get to the dashboard where you see the funded companies. On the free plan, you're gonna see just 2 companies that are real companies and that has been funded less than 45 days. And that's just for you get the feel of the system. So you can have a visual of what you're gonna see if you get to the paid pro plan. Just scrolling down the page, and you see all the companies and their information about the funding, when the funding occur. Of course, on the free trial, this is just for just a mock. It's a demo company. You have just 2 real ones on the top. Here on the dashboard, you have search. You can search for keywords, or you can select the region you want to see the companies, because there are companies that are funded all over the world. If you choose USA, you can do that. And you can also sort by some of those categories there: industry, date. That will be what you can do to kind of make it your way, best way. You want to check, you want to see the companies on your dashboard. So the most important thing when you get to the funded companies is you choose the companies you want to save. And the companies you save are the companies that you'll be able to log communications and use the CRM on the paid plan. So for instance, I save like a Hicksfield company here. You can see all their information here about the funding, about the company, how much they raised, and then you can check their website and their LinkedIn. And that's just to make it easier for you to verify if they have like emails on the website that you can send emails. And you can go to LinkedIn as well, check the people that work for that company, and then you can send messages. You're going to see that coming up. So here we just click on the visit website. It's going to open a new window with the website for the company that you can explore your own and check to see if you find some of the emails. Sometimes it's easier. It's a good thing to send an email to their HR, to their career, their info. That's part of the methodology of reaching out to those companies. And like I said, if you go to LinkedIn, you see their page, and you're gonna see who work for them. Just find people and that works for the company, and then you reach out to them, and that's the starting point of this journey of finding hidden jobs. Let's say I found a person on LinkedIn. I go to the log communication button on the company card, log my first communication, and here you see a lot of fields that you can use to organize your contact with the company. So I chose the method LinkedIn. I want to put the name of the person, the contact person that I'm gonna send the message to, and their title, if they're HR manager or they are the CEO, whatever the person is. That's what you put there, and you're gonna see the status of the contact tracker will change as soon as you save the communication. I'm gonna see that right after. So just an example, I'm using just a contact, a fictional company, a fictional person that works in the company, Mr. Hicksfield, which is, let's say he's the CEO. And I'm gonna send a new outreach. So that's the first time I'm gonna send a message. And whenever you send a message or log a message, you can choose. And here you're gonna type the message that you're gonna send through LinkedIn in this case. If you get the pay plan, you can click create draft with AI, and the AI will follow the methodology and write exactly what is required and what is obeying the do's and don'ts of these methodology. What to write to people, how to write it, what to say, and so on and so on. So you can also set up a reminder to follow up, and you save the communication. That's kind of the process of following up, of registering your journey, and the system will give you the ability to continuing doing that. And the status, every time you take an action, the status on the company card will change. So right now, like we send in this example, we sent communication, so it's a waiting response. And whenever you get a response, you can just go there and log a new communication for a response, or you can click on the log create follow-ups, and you can see on your dashboard now where you can see the stats of what you've done, your total outreach. That's kind of like a neat little chart where you can visualize what you've been doing and how's your journey is going. Track communications, that's for the paid plan. Activity timeline. It's a cool thing where you can see all the actions you took, and on a day, on a week, a month, a year, and you can see for all companies or for specific company. That gives you like a really neat, clear visual of what you've been doing with communication for that company or for all the companies. And you can see that on your when you're also on your dashboard, on the stats dashboard. And so I'm coming back here. I'm logging a LinkedIn response. I'm gonna say that's from Mr. Higgs Field, the CEO, and I'm gonna say select the status as replied or follow up. If it didn't reply, I could just do also send a new follow up. In this case, it's like a reply, and I would say hello. I'll type. Let's say that's what Mr. Hicksfield replied to my LinkedIn message, and I'm typing here on the notes, on the reply message, and on the notes, I'm gonna reply what the next action or what I'm gonna do. If you had a pay plan, yeah, I would be able to write the specific response on how to follow up with Mr. Hicksfield here. Cool thing here is when you click on the people page, you can see that Mr. Hicksfield has been added automatically to your contacts page, and that's happened when you make a communication, when you log a communication. The person, contact person that you put there with their information is gonna appear on the people page, so you can easily track all the people that you have contacted in the past and their relationship with each company. And when you're gonna make another communication, that contact person will be there for that company, so you can just select from the drop down instead of like having to write their name. And so let's say you're on the people page, and you can also add persons or people without having to go through the log communication. Let's say you just have this person's name and you want to put there on your contact list for that company. You can do that, and you're just going to be adding a contact, and you can add those contacts. You can change those contacts. You can go and when you log new communication, you're going to see there's going to be the two people there that you put on the page, and you can choose them. So that makes all easier for logging communications and track everything on the system by people and by company. If you go back to the people page, let's say you made a mistake and Mr. Hicksfield Jr. and Mr. Hicksfield are the same person. So you can delete one, or you can edit the contact page, the case, or you can merge them into one, and you check what is the right one that you want to keep, and just merge the contacts. That's a neat thing in case you get some typo and same person stared 2 times. You can do that as just to clean up your contact, and everything is going to be on a timeline. Everything you do, all your activities are going to be there, and you can see that at any time. Now there's also like a header on the top of the screen. You can see there like a book. This is where you can choose themes for your system, whatever color makes you feel better. You have like 6 choices, 3 are light themes and 3 for darker themes, and it's pretty easy to go there and select whatever you want. The other icon there after the themes are for notifications. And notifications is basically system notifications, and if you have any specific notifications for you. And the other one is to contact support. So if you click there, you're gonna open your computer email client, and you can just send your request. If you wish to upgrade the plan, just click on upgrade plan, and you're gonna go through directed to your profile page, and you just click upgrade, and it's gonna open another page for Stripe. We don't keep any of that information on our website. Everything is handled by Stripe and their full secure process and servers. We don't keep anything of financial information from you. So everything goes through Stripe. And when you click like subscribe there, you're gonna receive an email with a link. You just click that link, and it's a secure way to make your subscription and your payment. Once you upgrade, you go back to your profile, you can see your account has changed to paid, and we call that also the Pro plan. But just to make it simpler, let's say that paid. If you click manage subscription, you can manage your subscription directly on Stripe, and there's also a link for the Stripe portal. Now you have access to the communication tracker, which works just like a CRM, personal CRM, where you can see everything, all your log communications, all your activities listed for all the companies in a really neat way, and table where you can see the details for each company. You also have access to the templates and tutorials. It's very good if you go through this, regardless if you're going to use AI for the drafts, because it's very interesting, very important information, tells you exactly how the methodology works, the do's and don'ts, and everything else that comes with it. So let's say now that you have the Pro plan, all the information here is real information. That is all real companies with real funding. There's no more mock data. Everything here is real. So you can start looking at more than 2 companies. You can save as many companies you want. You can go back to the company that you were using on the free plan, and you can do all that together. You can used to have like the dashboard, and now you see more information on your dashboard, on your stat dashboard. And that's pretty much what you see in terms of login communication. Now when you log the communication, you're gonna have the option to use AI to help you write the exact message you want to send to your contact person. In this example, I'm typing, let's say in this case, Mr. Hicksfield replied to my LinkedIn, and I copy the message here, and then I'm gonna click generate draft with AI, and it's gonna give me a nice reply that I can just copy to clipboard, and then just go to LinkedIn and reply to the Mr. Hicks message. If you don't like it, you can regenerate that draft, and it's gonna do another one. And the status of the company also changes already. Now it's in progress, meaning you're having a conversation in progress. And on your communication tracker, you can see that happening real time there. On your dashboard stats, you have new information because you did a new you receive a response, so it's gonna appear there. And also on your timeline, it's gonna, of course, show everything, all your activity, replies, and follow-ups. Now, you can do this again. Let's say you save another company, and you can start the process, log your communication. Now you have the create draft with AI because you're on the paid plan since the beginning. So you put the name of the person there, their title, and choose if it's an email or LinkedIn. In this case, for the example, I'm choosing an email. So let's say it's an HR manager. So when you do the create draft with AI, the AI on the back end is gonna know how to phrase your communication based on the title of the person, the phase of the communication, and also the company. So everything to make it as easy as possible for you to make the right communication and the right way, using the right words, saying the right things to say. So the email draft will appear there. Of course, you have to fill out some of that information. You can copy the clipboard, or you can open directly on your mail client and just fill out what is missing and send it out. And that's going to appear on your communication tracker. Same thing. You can sort the headers, make it easier for you to see any way you feel better to see this table. And you can take action on that table, directly on that table. And everything will always be logged and will be in the activity timeline. Then you can see that by company or all companies altogether. People, you can see there the people also. You did a new communication with a new person. It's going to appear there on your contact list. And it's also going to appear on your stat dashboard. Everything you do, it'll be there, easy to access. You can rover the mouse, you can see the message, the whole message on your screen. The status of the company will always change. You can also change manually if you want, but you always change depending on the phase of the communication you are. And you have all the funded companies there. So, good journey.